hairstyle number 2. Okay, I look kind of silly. If you want your bangs out in this hairstyle, just put them in a little bun kind of like this before you get started. Looks silly right now, but I'll take them out at the end. Okay, to get started with this hairdo, I'm just gonna put my hair back in a ponytail to help me place my headband. All we're gonna need is a headband and a few ponytails in our finished product. So this is just to help me place this for now. I'm going to take my ordinary headband. It does have this kind of like loop thing on it, so I kind of like to piece that in the center, or off to the center a little bit. You can put it right in the center. Totally a preference deal. And I'm putting that over my hair. So my ponytail is underneath this, okay? Now I'm gonna take my ponytail out and I'm gonna pull all that hair that was back there back to the front. You can do it without doing the ponytail, but I have thick hair and it kind of, to do this, makes it kind of bunch up around my head. So you want this kind of at the base of your skull. Right now it's touching the tops of my ears. And now I'm gonna take my hair and in sections, you know, this is a pretty decent size. You can play around with it. You can do really small, you can do big. I have thick hair, so I'm gonna do a little bit bigger pieces. So here I'm going, and I'm gonna turn to the side. I'm grabbing this hair, and I'm just flipping it around, and I'm pulling it through. Okay, now I've gotten to where I'm about in the back center of my head, so I'm gonna come to the other side, and I'm gonna do this sides. I haven't done very many pieces. I think I did 3 or 4 on the other side. So it doesn't take long at all to do this. So here I am. Watch as I do it. I'm grabbing, picking up, and pulling. There we go. You might hear some baby noises in the background. My baby's playing in his swing right now. Okay, so now I'm going to take this stuff back here, and I'm going to pick it all up at once. I'm going to push it into this, and then it just kind of like evenly spreads through. Okay. So there's that. Now I like to secure it with some bobby pins. So I'm going to take my bobby pins, and I'm just going to kind of grab, you won't be able to see it, I'm kind of tucking under where my hair is and just securing my hair that's flipped to kind of my hair that's flat. So like this is my head, here's my hair, and I'm just putting a bobby pin through it all, just kind of holding it in place a little bit better. I don't have a mirror on me, so I mean, this might not be exactly perfect how I'd wear it, because normally I'd fidget with a few pieces, but for the most point you can kind of see what it looks like. And then now I'm going to take my bangs out of my little headband. And like I showed you in the last video, you know, I would maybe touch these up and curl them a little bit to style them around my face. But for now, I'm just going to go like this. And then I might kind of come back here and push some of that up to give me a little volume on the top of my head. Okay, so here is our finished look, and very quick, very easy, and I love how it looks and feels.